Hello. In this second tutorial video, we will cover assigning subscription licenses using the virtual warehouse. If you have not already, please watch the first tutorial video which covers how to log into the virtual warehouse, how to populate products in the virtual warehouse, as well as assigning perpetual licenses using the virtual warehouse. Before we learn how to assign subscriptions, remember that subscriptions are assigned to the license admin of the customer's company, and the license admin will then be in charge of distributing those subscriptions to the end users using the license manager. Once you're logged into the virtual warehouse, click on the Subscribe tab located in the navigation panel. The Subscribe tab is the main tab where you will go to manage all things subscriptions. If the customers and the subscription stocks are populated, then on the left-hand side under the Customer vertical panel, you'll be able to see all your customers. On the right-hand side under the Stock vertical panel, you'll be able to see all the subscription variants as well as their stock levels. Lastly, the middle vertical panel is where you will go to assign subscriptions to the license admin. Once you are on the Subscribe tab, you can add a new customer by clicking on Add Customer under the Customer vertical panel. Fill out the required customer information and then click OK to add a new customer. Now, let's find a customer and assign subscriptions to them. To find a customer, you can either manually look for the customer under the Customer vertical panel or use the filter method to search for a particular customer. In this example, we will click on the filter button and search for a customer by entering their name. Once you find the desired customer, simply click on the customer and go to the middle vertical panel to find the subscriptions you want to assign to the customer and click the Add button. Spectra Geospatial origin for this example. A pop-up box will appear once you click on Add. Here, you can assign different origin subscriptions as well as applications like origin roads and channel partner demos. Simply find the subscription you want to assign and enter the number of wanted subscriptions and click Assign. In this example, we will assign 2 seats of Origin Max subscriptions. Once the subscription is assigned, the license admin will receive the following email confirming the purchase of subscriptions. From this email, the license admin can claim their Trimble ID if they do not have one, or simply visit the license manager to distribute the subscriptions to the end users. This marks the end of the Virtual Warehouse Series tutorial video 2. Make sure to watch the tutorial video 3 to learn about assigning subscription licenses to the end users using the license manager.